All right, well, I'm in here scratching my head with my CRX update. I actually have gone through all this wiring, and based off my checklist here, all the green is checked off and good, and all the pink I don't need. So here, and here, you can see I've checked almost everything off. There's a few circuits left to check here. Heated O2 sensor, which I'm switching to a PLX wideband, and then also some other stuff related to the brake switch, which I'm not going to worry about. Load detector, I may or may not worry about. Stuff like that. But yeah, making some progress there. And also, we got some progress on the new project, which is another old car. And yeah, we bolted the head down. Definitely true to what the people said. A couple of these bolts didn't want to torque all the way down. They just were kind of spinning in the hole, so we snugged them. But we didn't worry about torquing them all the way down, because really what we want to do is see if we can get this thing started and running. Mostly it's looking pretty all right. We need to loosen the tension on this belt, get this on here, and then do a valve adjustment on it, so that we can see if it runs, honestly. Manifold bolted on, exhaust is going to go on, and then dude wanted to get working on cleaning it some more, so he washed the outside. Came out pretty good. Inside, there's a lot of, these are just oil mats that have disintegrated and, whatever junk from the seats, but we're going to get this thing cleaned out on the inside and, yeah, see how nice we can get it. I feel like this car is in really pretty good shape considering how old it is. It's got the little cardboard thing here is in pretty okay shape. Doesn't have the complete tool kit, but it's got the original jack, which is neat. And a little bit of moisture back here, nothing too terrible. The number one thing, got the new heel toe sticker on there, so that's pretty rad. Yeah. So you're gonna clean it out now?
Yeah.
Yeah. Seats are looking a little tired. I don't know what we're gonna do with the seats. These look kind of gross. Somebody's mom tried to fix that. All right, well, get to cleaning. Let's see how it turns out.
Oh yeah, this plastic is like a real nice deep blue.
Nice. The spray cleaner and polish from Honda does a great job cleaning up plastic stuff. It's got a nice smell too.
Use it for everything, really.
Well, the light's gotten a little low, but it does look quite a bit cleaner. That seat belt is not retracting, which is dumb. I'm trying to clean the seat belts off and it won't reel back in, so we're gonna have to pull that apart. But little by little, there was a lot of scum built up on this thing, so we'll get it there. Cool. And then we also made a to-do list for getting this running. So yeah, here's our whiteboard. Timing belt, valve adjustment, manifold on, oil, change it. Gas, drain it. And make sure the tank is okay. Throw in a battery, does it get power? Dry crank, get some oil moving, make sure everything moves free. Start the engine, drive it. So hopefully this doesn't take more than a couple of weeks to get done. We only work on this thing probably, every so many days. But I'm looking forward to seeing how it comes together. It should be pretty fun. And the long-term goal is to hopefully toss this engine in it twin cam engine that came out of this car in the first place. So that could be kind of fun. All right. Thanks for watching. We're going to sign off of this video. Ella's going to keep cleaning. And we'll check back in with you later.